Malbun Village, a nature's paradise in Europe. Hello, welcome to my channel BD Journey. I am Mohammed Delwar Hossein. I am telling you about Malbun Village, a nature's paradise in Europe. Int. Malbun Village, Day. The picturesque village of Malbun, nestled in the heart of Europe, awakens to the golden rays of the morning sun. Lush green meadows stretch as far as the eye can see, surrounded by towering mountains and pristine alpine forests. The air is crisp and refreshing, filled with the scent of wildflowers and the melodies of chirping birds. Ext Malbun Meadows, Day. Children run freely through the meadows, laughing and chasing butterflies, their innocent joy echoing throughout the village. Families gather for picnics, spreading blankets on the soft grass and basking in the natural beauty that surrounds them. Int. Malbun Chalet, Living Room, Day. Inside one of the cozy wooden chalets, a family sits by a crackling fireplace, enjoying the warmth and tranquility. The walls are adorned with paintings depicting the breathtaking landscapes that have inspired countless artists throughout the ages. Ext Malbun Ski Resort, Day. As winter arrives, Malbun transforms into a winter wonderland. Skiers and snowboarders descend upon the village, eager to conquer the slopes. The Malbun Ski Resort offers a variety of trails for all skill levels, from gentle slopes for beginners to thrilling black diamond runs for the more adventurous. Ext Malbun Forest, Day. Nature enthusiasts and hikers explore the dense forests surrounding Malbun, venturing along winding trails that lead to hidden waterfalls and panoramic viewpoints. The air is infused with the earthy scent of pine trees, and the occasional glimpse of wildlife adds an element of excitement to the journey. Int. Malbun Village Center, Day. The village center buzzes with life as locals and tourists gather to explore the charming shops and cafes. Traditional Swiss delicacies entice visitors with their aromatic flavors, while local artisans display their exquisite handcrafted goods, showcasing the region's rich cultural heritage. Ext Malbun Mountain Peak, Sunset. Atop one of the majestic peaks surrounding Malbun, a group of mountaineers watches the sun descend behind the horizon, painting the sky in vibrant hues of orange and purple. The breathtaking vista, with its snow-capped mountains and glistening lakes, fills their hearts with awe and gratitude. Int. Malbun Wellness Center, Day. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Malbun Wellness Center offers a sanctuary of serenity. Spa treatments, yoga classes, and meditation sessions provide an escape from the stresses of everyday life, allowing visitors to reconnect with their inner selves. Ext Malbun Village Festival, Night. As night falls, the village comes alive with a lively celebration. The annual Malbun Village Festival showcases local music, dance, and traditional festivities. Visitors and villagers join together, dancing under a starlit sky, immersing themselves in the rich cultural tapestry of the region. Int. Malbun Observatory, Night. Far from the city lights, the Malbun Observatory provides a glimpse into the wonders of the universe. Astronomers and stargazers gather to observe distant galaxies, marvel at celestial phenomena, and deepen their understanding of the cosmos. Ext Malbun Village, Day. As the day draws to a close, the tranquil beauty of Malbun lingers in the hearts of all who have experienced its magic. Whether exploring its natural wonders, embracing its cultural heritage, or simply basking in its peaceful ambience, Malbun village remains a nature's paradise, an escape from the hectic pace of the modern world. Thank you for watching my video.